Hi my J babies, how are you? This is your girl J baby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm super excited, is going to be on Allove hair, and this is the loose deep wave 4x4 closure, lace closure. We talking about a lace closure, y'all. I'm super excited for the closures again, y'all, because woo, sometimes the lace, honey, it be too much, okay? I started out with a closure and I love a closure. So let me just go ahead on and just get into this package. Look at the packaging. I love this, the satin purple bag that they give to you. Inside of here, you will see a wig cap. Of course, the wig itself. And they sent me a card that says Allove open with surprise. Wow, open with surprise. So this is her card right here. Okay, so let's get into what this wig is. This is a 24-inch loose deep wave wig, which is a 4x4 Swiss lace, y'all. Swiss lace, medium, soft medium brown lace. Okay, 150 density, and it's pre-plucked with baby hairs. So let me get this off of here. Okay, I'm so excited, y'all, for look, I hate that. I'm so excited for closures again. I mean, you know, I know they're having a shortage and everything, but honey, I'm super excited for closures again. Look at this. Look at the pattern on this loose wave. Look at this. Hunty, the bounce. Okay, so let me turn this down just a little bit. So this is the lace that you get right here. It's a 4x4. 4x4 right there. And you get, where's that? You get a comb right here, a comb right here, and a comb right here. This is what the construction of the cap looks like. And let's see, they say pre-plucked. That's pre-plucked. If you want to do more, you can, but I see the pre-plucked and I also see the baby hairs. I'm super excited, y'all, because, girl, I'm so sick and tired of lace so everywhere that, you know, girl, it'd be so much work. These are so much easier and it's beginner friendly, so I'm going to go ahead and try the wig on. Hey, y'all, this does have an elastic band in the back. This feels so good and snug. Look, this is what it looks like when you put it on. Just like so. It feels so like you don't need no glue, y'all. This is what this feels like. Do you see this hair? Okay, honey. Yes, baby. So, I love the curls in it. Look at these curls. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Girl, let me just go ahead on and get into it's so soft. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's so soft. So soft. Oh my god. Look at me. You see me glowing. You know when I like something, because these big old cheeks of mine get to going. So let me see how much lace we have here. Okay, so we have lace to right there. But it's not bad. You still can do like a little side something if you want a side. This hair is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, girl, I'll probably do a little side something, and you don't even have to do anything with these curls. Anyway, let me be quiet and get into this video. Hold up, y'all. Let's get into this. Look at this. You don't even need no, this should be a glueless wig. This what this should be. Ain't nobody gonna tell me that I'm not looking fabulous. Look at this hair. Girl, this hair is so soft. It's like milk. Baby, how soft is this hair? It's soft. I let him feel it. He was like, ooh. Okay, y'all. So this is the look. I am done. Look at this. You get the same effect as you do when you have, let me stop looking at myself, y'all, and look at y'all. You get the same effect that you do when you have a lace frontal on. Actually, you can still do the same thing. It's just that you don't have all the other baby hairs that you could put down. But actually, you can put it down there, you know. But who's going to see that if your hair is down? So this hair is, oh my goodness. Do you see how fluffy and how bouncy? Now, I didn't do a lot of wetting to it. And the reason why is because, girl, I want this to stay out. And you know, once we wet it, it's going to go down. And I wanted to be able to show y'all, you know, how it is naturally. I did not do no plucking except for maybe a little teeny bit on the baby hair. That's it. So it is pre-plucked. It is, let's get my notes, girl. It is the Allove hair, which is a loose deep wave 4x4 lace closure, which is Swiss lace, baby. Swiss lace, okay? It's virgin Remy, 100% virgin Remy human hair, 150 density, and it is beautiful. I'm gonna stand up for y'all in a minute. Give me just a minute, y'all. Let me go ahead on and use some Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna go ahead on and just put some of this in my parting. Usually I don't do a whole lot of this, but I want y'all to see how it will be if you put this in here. Now you can go ahead on and bleach your knots if you want to, but honey, we're not going to do no bleaching today. I didn't do no plucking to the parting at all. And the lace go furly back. Let me stand up so you can see this, honey. This hair is gorgeous. Oh, my goodness. What? Go ahead, honey. So this is what the hair looks like. It comes maybe, it's down here, which is 24 inches. To me, I am 5'7", so it's right there, baby. Woo, honey. Yes. So this is the ending of my video. I will let you know all of the specs down and below of this hair. Girl, this hair is a must-have, okay? It is super soft. Shedding, far as the shedding, I haven't gotten any shedding so far. So I'm going to be wearing this hair. And I'm actually going to come back with an update. That way you guys can see what this hair looks like. Honey, it's so trending and so up to date, okay? Look at this. What? Yes, baby. Come through for your girl. So I will have Instagram pictures for you guys. So be sure to go to my Instagram, which is jbaby, at jbaby1971. I post there, y'all. Don't miss out on the post, okay? So I'm going to be putting this hair there. Also, I'm going to be posting other pictures, and I'm going to actually have the link down below. If it's a coupon code, I will drop a coupon code for you all. That way you can check out Allove hair. And yes, honey, I feel all the love, okay? Okay, and I love this bag. I could just put it back in here because I think it would keep it super soft in the bag. So that's the reason why they give you these satin balls, Lord have mercy. These satin bags, that way your hair can stay super soft and you can put them away properly. So, beginner friendly wig. Yes, girl. Okay, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.